Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have parenthesis 8 minus 4, then minus 2 times 2. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 will give us 4. So we break down minus 2 times 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Then 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now what if I say 4 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from our left to our right in order to have a very good answer. So let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 will give us 4. Then we minus it by 2 times 2. So first of all solve our 2 times 2 because multiplication comes first before subtraction. So we solve our multiplication first before subtraction. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then 4 minus 4 will give us 0. So 0 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.